Hi, here at Team Believe It. We believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic, do you want to know how long it will take for you to pay off your debt? Do you want to know how much interest amount you would have paid? Understanding debt and its impact is essential for everyone. Debt is a common financial obligation that many people face in their daily lives. From mortgages to credit cards, student loans to car payments, many people have various forms of debt. Managing debt effectively is crucial for maintaining financial health and stability. High levels of debt can lead to significant stress and financial instability, affecting your overall well-being. Understanding your debt is the first step towards financial freedom and peace of mind. A debt calculator is a powerful tool that can help you get a clear picture of your financial situation. It helps you analyze your debts and create a realistic plan to pay them off over time. Taking control of your debt not only leads to financial security, but also brings peace of mind and a brighter future. Debt calculators are your financial planning allies. These tools are essential for anyone looking to manage their finances effectively. Debt calculators are tools that provide insights into your debt. They break down complex financial data into easy-to-understand information. They help you understand how much you owe and how long it will take to repay. By visualizing your debt, you can see the bigger picture. You can explore different repayment scenarios. This means you can compare various strategies to find the best one for your situation. This allows you to make informed decisions about your finances. Knowing your options empowers you to take control of your financial future. They are user-friendly and accessible online or through financial apps. This convenience means you can manage your debt anytime, anywhere. By inputting loan details, interest rates, and repayment terms, the calculator crunches the numbers for you. This saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. This gives you a clear picture of your debt and helps you plan effectively. With a solid plan in place, you can work towards financial freedom with confidence. Key features. What makes a debt calculator effective? A good debt calculator should be comprehensive and easy to use. It should calculate total interest paid over the life of the loan. You should be able to adjust repayment amounts to see how it affects your payoff timeline. The ability to compare different loan options is essential. Look for calculators that provide visualizations, such as graphs or charts. Visual aids make it easier to understand complex financial information. Using a debt calculator, a step-by-step guide. Start by gathering all relevant loan information. This includes the principal amount, interest rate, and loan term. Input this data into the calculator accurately. Once you input the information, the calculator will generate results. Review the calculated monthly payment, total interest paid, and payoff date. Experiment with different repayment amounts to see how it impacts your debt. A real-life impact. How debt calculators empower financial freedom. Debt calculators are powerful tools that can transform your financial future. Imagine you have a credit card balance of $5,000. This is a common scenario for many people, and it can feel overwhelming. With an 18% interest rate, high interest rates can make it seem impossible to get out of debt. By using a debt calculator, you discover that making minimum payments will take you over 15 years to pay off. This realization can be eye-opening and cost you thousands in interest. The amount of money lost to interest can be staggering. However, if you increase your monthly payments by just $100, the impact is significant. You can pay off the debt in less than 4 years. This drastically reduces the time you spend in debt and saves significantly on interest. The savings can be used for other financial goals, like investing or saving for a home. This example illustrates the power of debt calculators in helping you make informed decisions. They provide clarity and control, empowering you to take charge of your financial future. Take charge. Embrace debt calculators for a brighter future. Debt calculators are invaluable tools for managing personal finances. They provide clarity, control, and a path towards financial freedom. By using a debt calculator, you can understand your debt, explore repayment options, and make informed decisions to achieve your financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power. As always, Here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.